Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this e.l.f. Eye Candy eyeshadow duo set. It includes 3 eyeshadow duos and 1 eye brush. So yeah, I'm going to be revealing it and opening it. So yeah, this is actually pretty old, I'm pretty sure, but it's not expired yet. So yeah. Also, don't mind if there's background noise in the background. Ooh, hi, Alpha. Sorry, that's my cat. But yeah. So I just opened it. This is what it looks like. I want to do the top one first. Top one looks cute. Looks interesting. Ooh, oh wow. It's called, oh, it's not called anything. But here's what it looks like. It's so cute. Then at the front, they have these little twisting things. Really cool. It doesn't smell like anything, but yeah. Next, let's do this one. This one is just brown and like this whitish color. But yeah, that's. Ooh, okay. This one looks really cute, but it's like a really busted color. I'm just going to pick up this. I don't want to tilt it, and then all of the eyeshadow might fall out. But this is what it looks like. I don't know. I don't know what to do about that. Oh. Can I touch it? No, it's busted. Ooh. I just blew all the access off. That's a lot of access. Okay, this is what it looks like now. It's better, but it's not that good. Also, do not mind the background noise. I'm so sorry. It's my family. They're really loud. It's a loud family. Where did that lid go? Dang. Where's the lid? Sorry. My family is very loud. They're very much of an extrovert. Oh my gosh. Oh, did the thing stop? Okay. I don't know where the cap went. Yeah, cats, can you sniff for it? They're sniffing. So yeah, I guess oh, okay. It was right there. Very good hiding spot. Okay, I'm not gonna sit on the chair. My cat's under it. It's a rocking chair, so yep, I guess that was a success. It's still a very good eyeshadow. It was just broken. At least it wasn't broken the whole thing. Because if it was, then I would have had to throw it away, and that piece of eyeshadow would not go to use. And then here's the brush. It's so cute. Metallic. So yeah, that's it for today. I don't post these videos much, but I hope y'all liked it. I mean, since I do post a lot of shorts, but I feel like I would like to do videos more. So yeah, I might start getting into video recording me playing Roblox. If y'all want to see that, comment. Sorry, I have the hiccups, but yeah, that's it for today. Bye, guys.